Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's look for day 20, actually. I'm going to say clips. They shake and they rattle and they move like a clip does. So let's see. I might be right on one of these things. No, I'm totally wrong. Wouldn't you think that's a clip? That's a clip. Okay, no it's not. It is the Lego sewing machine. The brick building set, and it's got the duck at the top. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. I love it. So you're going to get all the bricks, like a Lego, and all the instructions so you can make your own sewing machine out of bricks. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I'm going to say the clips were close. It was close, but not really. I did not see this coming. This is like the mat cleaner. Like what?